So today we are in Norco. See everybody? That's how heavy that was.
It's right there.
Okay.
The only big bulky.
Yeah.
Maybe some of the tarps if they look like they're in decent shape. Like these fold.
Was it sectional and stuff? So today we are in Norco at our favorite dairy farm, and we're just picking up a couple of things for the owner over here. Trying to get backed up.
Where you not well?
Huh? What?
I told you not well.
Got this truck bed here that got crushed up, but they want removed. Oh man. That's why it's so heavy. It's full of dirt and stuff. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. The little brown.
Very sharp metal, you gotta be very careful.
That's why we have these anti-cut gloves. These are the Milwaukee brand. These are the knockoff Amazon brand.
I think the Amazon ones are better though. What do you guys think in the comments?
Yeah, comment in the comment section which non-cut gloves you like better.
Alright, ready? So, what you have to Alright, ready?
Yeah.
No.
Hold on.
Bobcat. Can you grab the Bobcat?
Huh?
Can you grab the Bobcat?
I mean, I want to get permission first. Got cows and the chickens. It's a new chicken coop. What's up, Andy? Not doing too bad, man. Nice to see you.
Likewise.
Yes, sir.
Hey, how's it going, bud?
So we got this, and then you said something about a shed, right?
Yeah, that shed there.
Okay.
The only thing is I don't know if we could demolish it today because the one side is part of the corral there. So I was having my welder build it, but I don't think he finished it yet.
That's fine.
There's plenty of junk inside to clear out first.
Okay.
So if you want to get started on that, and then when he finishes, I'll get you back in and actually do the whole demo and get rid of the son of a bitch.
Yeah.
And
Cool.
then I don't know if there's any little random shit over here.
Yeah, that's why I was gonna ask about this. I didn't know. I mean, do you guys scrap or anything?
No, not
okay.
really.
So,
probably some of these smaller pieces I would get rid of. Maybe this square tubing, no. And then like some of these remnant kind of things, like this roll is probably okay. Well, like these cut off pieces, obviously.
Stuff that can't be used.
Yeah, you know, just use your head. Whatever looks like a remnant, just get rid of. If something looks like it's pretty good, like that roll, then we'll hold on to it. But like this bent tin, these cuts of wood, shit like that, these little cut off pieces, could get rid of all that.
Sounds good.
You want to see all the stuff your boy buried?
Yeah, yeah.
We did some cleanup over there. We found a slab of concrete probably as big as this wheelbarrow. And then just random pieces of wood over there.
He's gonna
job there.
Yeah, he's gonna show.
Yeah, if you guys got time, you can pick up a little bit of that too.
Yeah.
The concrete's pretty big though. I don't know if you're gonna be able to get it without like a tractor or something.
Is it too big for the Bobcat?
Yeah, you can probably use the Bobcat.
Okay.
Yeah, you guys could grab some of this shit
Okay.
if you got some room, and then the shed over here.
Let's check that out.
The ultimate goal is to tear it down and get rid of it, but like I said, that one wall is part of the corral. So if I take that wall down,
Oh, and I forgot to ask you. Are you okay with this?
oh yeah,
Okay. It's just my wife wants it for more content, like YouTube.
sure, yeah.
I hate it. It's all we're always having to say. My wife's name's Eureka. We're always like, Eureka, edit that out, because we're always like
Sure.
cussing.
That's the
or-
hardest part of all that too, is all that editing.
Oh, hours and hours.
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
we
yeah.
did a job, and she made like an hour and 40 long video, but it took her like days
Oh, I believe it.
to do everything.
There's money in that though, but it
Yeah.
takes time.
I mean, you get monetized and stuff like that. But
Sure. So yeah, we gotta clear all this shit out. Basically, throw everything away.
Anything you want to keep? Any tarps? Anything like that? Any of these lifts?
These lifts are all
They're
junk for the
old,
most
okay.
part. Yeah, I used to repair them, but then we'd repair them, put them back in service, and then a week later I was taking them down because something else was broken. So usually I just toss them.
Just
out
toss
at this point.
Okay.
Maybe some of the tarps if they look like they're in decent shape, like these folded ones.
Yeah, that's what I was
But
thinking.
the ones that are all like balled up and ripped, just shit
Toss
can
them.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then, yeah, if you want to, I guess you could start maybe some of the tear down. I don't know. But this wall is shared with this chicken pen right here. So I'm waiting for my welder to finish off the, you could go in if you like.
Okay.
So yeah, he's putting his posts in. We're going to finish this wall out. And then once that's done, then this could go.
Okay.
But in the meantime, yeah, if we take this down, the chicken pen's just wide open.
Okay. We'll probably just wait on the demo.
Okay.
Because I have 2 other jobs lined up after this.
Sure. Well, okay, get what you can today.
Yeah, okay.
And then we'll reschedule. Once I get this done,
Yeah.
we'll reschedule and you can
Yeah, we already know
plan a day
what
to
it's,
finish up. But now you got a good idea
Yeah.
what you need to do.
Yeah. Okay.
And then if you need the Bobcat for that truck bed, that's fine.
Yeah. Because as long as I answer,
Yeah, if you don't answer,
It
then
doesn't-
it gets marked as like you're not.
so every time on Google that you don't answer, it docks you a point. And then if you drop below a threshold, you're not at the top anymore.
Gotcha.
So, yeah.
you have to answer to.
I have to.
keep that
1
up.
o'clock in the
It's
morning,
like Yelp,
12,
you got to reply to
within
keep
a certain amount of time.
your response rate up. But yeah, a lot of times it's goofy shit. I have like the same guy asking me every day how much is a cow. Like it's the same price as it was yesterday. You know what I mean? But you can't be too rude either.
Yeah, but he's hoping you're going to give him a deal or something.
Sure.
It's always like, give me your best price. And you're like, the price I give you is my best price.
Yeah, exactly.
You know?
You know how it is. You've been in this game too.
Yeah. It's always give me your best price.
You guys too.
Cool,
When you're done, I'll fetch your check.
Thanks, man.
No problem. Thank you.
Oh, do you want to do the honors?
What? I want to do that.
I mean, I can do it too. I mean, but I just figured since we're on camera, I mean, it would look better. Because if I'm doing it, then it's just a POV version, you know?
Oh, yeah.
You want me to do it?
I might grab it from that corner, right?
Oh. Drop it. No, go in the right there.
Oh.
Come in like this. Yeah.
You gonna drop the big one?
Yeah. Grab that side. It's gonna tip.
Shouldn't go like that. Okay,
Oh man, he's gonna drop this over the side.
You want to throw some wood or something in there and make it softer?
It's not gonna help.
It'll.
Can we bring it in this way or no? Yeah. Yeah, the middle.
I'm thinking it's too wide, huh?
Oh, we gotta swing it.
It's too wide, huh?
Yeah, go over the top. Ay, ay, ay. Say goodbye to the welds.
Nah.
You don't think so?
I think it'll be good, bro.
Yeah?
It's fine.
All right, all right.
This is Mike.
I'm trying.
Mike Cronin Junk. We're right here in Norco, California. And if you guys have a big ranch property that needs to be cleaned up, call Mike.
And Kenneth.
That came out of nowhere.
What?
I said that came out of nowhere. I need to memorize this phone number.
951-363-5120.
Or if it's on your t-shirt, we're just
on the
gonna
back.
put a sticker right there.
It's on the back. Yeah, so just memorize the back that you never can see, you know?
Yeah.
Get it off. Hey.
Thank you.
It didn't even hit that hard. It didn't.
It's all, it's all. It didn't even hit that hard.
Swear to God, Mike, turn around, baby.
All right, I'm gonna back this up.
Couldn't do it or what?
What?
Couldn't do it.
I thought you were telling me like this.
No, it's like this.
Uh-huh.
No, it's like that.
Oh, I thought you were saying like this.
Pull forward and straighten out.
Oh, okay.
I mean,
You know, this crushed up truck bed is going to just love getting stuck.
nah, you won't, man.
Well, it's metal, so it
I'm
might.
telling you, man. Positive vibes, man.
I'm telling you, man. It happens all the time.
I think you're gonna fly right out, depending on what other. Well,
Yeah, well, I'm just saying because I don't want to piss off that one lady, you know?
which one?
The one for the couch was a sectional and stuff. She was already saying that the time that I gave her was like too late, you know? And so I told her I would try my best to get to her in a good time.
Are you gonna try to flip that on here?
What?
Are you gonna try to flip what's on here or what?
It just depends on what the shed does. There you go, Eureka. Kenneth refusing to wear his shirt because he says it's by labor laws, it's too hot. Just figured I'd bring it up with HR.
Uber? Yeah, I'm right here at 11865 Norco Avenue.
They're going to be like, that's not even a real street. Then they're going to be like, I'm here. I don't see you. You're like, dang it. Mike, where are we at right now?
We're in Texas, California.
Afloat.
I'm pretty sure they want all these boulders.
I don't know. Let me just put this down. Shoot. I don't know, when he was talking about the description of it right now, he just said the offcuts and stuff that can't be used. Yeah. Huh?
You're anything wrong, just let me know. It's Friday, man. Never want to get fired on Friday.
Look at that. That's solid.
Yeah. All this is solid.
I know.
I know it's.
Yeah. What do you think this is worth?
With all of that, it's probably like $60. It's heavy, number one prepared. It's under 4 feet.
Yeah.
Like this solid.
Isn't that crazy that this business just like, you don't even have to advertise.
Oh no, it just rockets, dude.
Dude, you just, all you do is, yeah, you just exist, you know? And it's just unlimited customers. That dude's screwed. He's gonna be on somebody's table. A bowl? Oh, trailer. Poor little duck. He's gonna be on somebody's table.
What, Father's Day?
I don't know. It's probably what a lot of these people are doing. Getting ready
Seems
for...
like every time we come over here, it's some type of holiday.
Well, that's why he calls us. Because he's getting prepared. I don't think I've ever been here on like a normal... You know what I mean?
Yeah. What?
Yeah.
I was going to get over that.
Huh? Sorry.
After you pull out, you have some stuff right over here to grab. Are you gonna back into that spot?
Yeah, I have to.
They're grabbing,
Yeah, there's a lot more.
actually walking back now. I'll back you up right there.
Should I pull forward?
What was that?
I gotta pull forward because now this guy's parked like this. Yeah. Every line that I'm at, every line I have to take, there's a car parked there now.
Yeah, he has some stuff right over here by this thing. So you can pull as close as possible, like by the Bobcat.
Yeah. But that's the thing, I can't jackknife it so much it's gonna hit the truck. Cause look, then I have to pull, see all this stuff on this side I have to miss?
Back up a little bit.
Any stuff in here or what?
More.
Where's the stuff at?
You're gonna be blocked.
I know, that's what I'm saying. What is it?
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, okay.
There's another exit.
Oh, there is. Okay.
So they're good. Hey, wait. Up by ya. Hey. Yeah, that's cool, bro. You should be pulling a couple in 10 minutes anyway. Just a few things over this way.
Okay.
Not too much.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah, we're gonna. It opens around, so.
Okay.
There's all this crap right here. We kind of made a little pile for you guys. That shell of a pressure washer and then all this. Right here.
Okay. You guys get busy out of nowhere, huh?
Yeah, we
just out of, like literally. That's crazy.
Should have seen last week. There was nothing here. You couldn't even come in here. That's
really?
why I told you you gotta wait. Though.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was some Muslim holiday.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh man, I can imagine.
So
Jesus.
Yeah, they like fresh meat.
Good for you.
Yeah.
You don't really have to advertise, huh?
No, we're more word of mouth. We really don't advertise, to be honest with you.
Lucky. It's expensive. Yeah. She served them well, Kenneth. I threw away one of these.
Get these big items way up there, please.
Say that? What?
Get these items
Yeah, up front.
way up in the front.
Yeah, I heard him. He's all wah, 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 wah.
That's really kind of. Like, bro, well, I just like 2 miles.
I didn't even know there was another exit. Oh, yeah, you mean that little gate over there? The little gate on the right.
It goes down, and then it turns, and it goes like here, and then it goes all the way around.
Is he gonna try to squeeze through here?
Oh no, you can make it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Remember the big Rubbermaid one I told you I had?
Huh?
The big Rubbermaid?
Yeah.
So it basically looked like that, but stack four of them on top of each other. Yeah. So it was like this, but like 4 deep.
Yeah.
I love that. Oh, there's stuff on the inside gonna fall out.
The boss is gonna move thing. Oh, okay. Thanks.
We can lift that winch up and put it on the axles and push it over.
Yeah. Not that heavy, but
This?
yeah.
Oh, we must have been really tired last time when we were doing these.
Yeah, we were.
Because,
that was at like the end of the day, remember?
yeah, that thing weighed like 900 pounds to me. Yeah, we're gonna have to go to the landfill. There's no way.
Too big, bulky.
Yeah. You want to just try to pick it up, the whole thing?
We can try.
Do you want to do this side? I'll do that side.
Sure.
I've been working out my legs the last one day, so
Okay.
it's the last one day. Get it?
You're working out for one day?
My legs, at least.
I have two.
1,
2, 3. Got it.
Oh, that's about as heavy as it felt last time with just the thing.
I think that was it.
We're not doing the forklift forks, are we? Because that's...
No, they're keeping those.
Because, I mean,
I think that's it.
Oh, right there. That one right there. A black one. That's what I had.
Oh, okay. Those are like the commercial
for
ones.
the custodial stuff.
Yeah.
I love that thing, dude. It was so cool. That section is all done. I don't even know. Getting pretty busy here at the little meat farm dairy. A lot more room than last time. Get this one. I gotta take my photos real quick. So this one, guys, I don't know how much of the audio is actually going to be in this video. It might just be a time lapse because I don't even know if it's filming because it keeps shutting off. Oh. I think it's recording. We're going to be demoing or picking up the demo of this. Yep.
So right there, Corona junk. This definitely needs to be cleaned up. It collects rodents, bugs, things you don't want on your property. So hit up Corona Junk and Property Management, and we'll take care of you.
Property maintenance. He's still new. I'll let you see some of the behind the scenes stuff from when I do the audio and stuff. It's like this.
Hold on, what did I say? Property what?
Management.
Management? It said
Maintenance.
maintenance.
Yeah. Let's see if I can get this up here. Kenneth, can you get up on this side and just help me throw it up here? Por favor, mijo. One, two, three. One, two, three. That works. See, everybody? That's how heavy that was. Bent this steel here. That's a plastic barrel dolly.
Yeah.
Costs about
Not just for plastic. It could be meant for the 55 drums.
costs about $500 to $700.
We throw
And I really
things
hope
away all day long.
I really hope that's not fuel.